Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change body part colors on Roblox Mobile. So this will be either an iOS on your iPhone or Android. So if you're trying to change each body part to a different color in Roblox, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that. So it's actually currently not possible to do this in the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the browser either on our iPhone or Android phone and navigate to roblox.com. From there, you'll see this screen right here. At the bottom, it should say continue in browser. Go ahead and select that. And we just want to make sure we log into our Roblox account. Once you're logged in, select the three horizontal lines to open the menu in the top left of Roblox. Then in the menu, select Avatar. This will tell you that in order for us to edit our avatar, we need to open up the Roblox app. But that's not true. To edit our avatar in the browser, we need to request the desktop version. And on an iPhone in the Safari browser, we do that by selecting the two A's next to the address bar and then selecting Request Desktop. And on Android phone in the Chrome browser, to request the desktop mode, what we want to do is select the three vertical dots next to the address bar. And then in the menu, just go down and under Desktop Site, select the little square for Desktop Site. This will reload Roblox and you'll now be in desktop mode. Now that you loaded the desktop version of Roblox.com, we can zoom out. Then in the top menu, select Body, and then Skin Tone. So now it'll show all the different colors that are available. From here, we need to go down in the bottom right and select Advanced. And then as you can see here, we can select each individual body part and select a different color for each body part. Once you've gone through all the different body parts and selected your desired color, simply select Done. Then when I go to the left and view my avatar, you can see that I've changed each body part to a different color. All right, so that's how you change body part colors on Roblox Mobile, either iOS or Android. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.